All right, so far we've moved through the 3 floors and we have the roof and a little bit of work to do on the end of the 3rd floor. So I'm going to go ahead and put the roof in. So I'm going to go to my roof, and just to let you know, where we are, just to remind you, because I haven't gone back to my elevation. If I go to my east elevation, there's the roof, there's floor 3, there's floor 2, and there's floor 1. And so those are the levels that we're working with. And we've made it up to level 3, and now I'm going to go to my roof plan, and we're going to put a roof in. So I'm not going to be super exact about this because we can always update it. So I'm going to go to Architecture, Roof, and we're going to use the basic roof 01, or actually let's use the generic 12-inch build roof, okay? Or no, let's use the 12-inch white, okay? So we'll use that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle that's going to represent the outline of our roof. Now this is another sketch mode, just like the floor plans. So I'll pick rectangle, and I'll come out here, and this is going to define the edges of the roof. So I'm just going to pick maybe a little bit inside here and zoom out, and maybe this one goes out a little further. Maybe it comes out from the outside and covers that porch. And I'll left click there. Now right now there are no slopes on this. It's going to be a flat roof. So if I hit the big green check over here and I go to my 3D view and I want to tile, right, let's go ahead, get rid of floor plan 3, and I want to tile again. You'll see in my 3D view I've got this roof that's sort of sitting up right at the top of that level. So it's actually the roofs, unlike is the opposite of the floors, it starts by default at the level and goes up, right? So I'm just going to pick this roof, and it's still going to be on level roof, but what I want to do is set the base offset, let's say to like -4 feet, right? So now it'll just push that roof down 4 feet. And if I want to really see what that's doing, I can go to one of my sort of reference levels, and you can go in and see kind of where that roof is, right? So there's that roof right there, okay? And you can sort of see the section of what's going on with our building. Now, we can adjust that roof in various ways. So I'm going to sort of bring this guy, oh, my computer's slowing way down again. I have to restart. I'm going to kind of bring this guy in and make it, sort of a mini-me here so you can see what's going on. And then I'll bring my roof plan over here. And I'm going to pick that roof. See if I can get to it. Whoop. Give me a, I'm just going to sort of select across all of that and filter and see if it's like giving me the roof. Well, let's just pick it over here. And then if I come over here and left click, I can go to edit footprint, and that will send me back into that sketch mode. And if I pick, let's say, this edge, I can actually define a slope using that edge. So I can click on define slope, and I'm going to make it 1 inch and 12, and I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to hit my big green check. And you're going to see that that roof is now sloping, right? And now it's kind of popping up above the walls. So I'm going to change my base offset to -7, right? And it'll pull that guy down, right? And so you can go in and sort of adjust these things. Now here's that curtain wall that's going all the way up to level roof. If I pick that curtain wall, it will give me an attached top base. And I can pick that roof, and it will remake the curtain wall and now attach it to that roof. So if I were to move that roof up and down, that wall now moves with it, right? So you can go in and attach this one, attach top base, and now that one, and there's another one over there, I guess. So let's attach top base, right? So let's see, attach top base, that guy. I'm not going to want to do it. Let's go to 3D, see if I've got anything. So this guy, I would like to attach top base to you, and it will do it. I'm not sure why it was being kind of pissy in the other view, but it was. So now those are attached to that roof, and that roof is sloping through. Okay. You can add slopes to, if I were to add, for example, a slope, I can actually do it in 3D. If I go to Edit Footprint, I can add a slope to this side. Same 1/2 an inch. And then if I hit, well, it doesn't really matter, but now it's sort of breaking it like a weird little gable, right? If you zoom out in here, now you've got this sort of gabling roof. So you're basically picking a flat plane and giving it a slope from which to work. So I'll go back to the Edit Footprint, pick that, and I'm going to remove the defined slope from that. And then hit the big green check. All right. All right, so that's roof. I'll stop this one here, and then we'll sort of, so I believe what we're going to need to do is come over here and sort of clean up. Well, we've got that guy there. What's happening on the other side? Seems like, yeah, we've got a little bit of mystery going on here, so we'll sort of fix that. Got a big hole. So we'll fix that on the next one.